Hey there! Today, we're diving deep into a software that we like to call the Ultimate Computer Care Package. It's System Mechanic Ultimate Defense. This is like assembling an Avengers team exclusively for your PC. So, let's not waste any more time and dive right in. Let's kick off with Active Care. I mean, we've all been there, right? You're about to finally beat that impossible level or watch a cliffhanger episode of your favorite show, and your computer decides to freeze. No more of that nonsense. Active Care is here to sprinkle its very own fairy dust. It's an optimization scheduler with a tool called Deep Clean. It can seamlessly perform 7 cleaning tasks to make sure your entire system runs like a dream. Next, let's talk privacy. Oh yes, the golden treasure of the digital age. With a tailored privacy feature, equipped with fingerprinting protection, you'll become the king or queen of your digital domain. No more creepy ads stalking you or companies hoarding your data. You can even customize what you share and with whom. It's like your personal VIP list, but for data. Now, who's standing guard at the gates of your digital kingdom? Antivirus protection, that's who! This isn't your average run-of-the-mill antivirus. It works in real time and without turning your computer into a sloth, so you can keep playing, working, or binge-watching without a worry in the world. Do you have like a zillion passwords? Social media, email, streaming services? Oh my! The Password Manager tool has got you. It's like that perfect secretary you've always wanted. Keeps everything organized and easily accessible. Just one extension and poof! No more forgot password shame. Raise your hand if you've ever deleted something super important. Yeah, us too. But if you're not, Search and Recover is your knight in shining armor. Even if you've emptied a recycle bin, this feature says, "We got you." Last but not least, Driver Scrubber, the secure file deletion feature, is a cleaner upper you never knew you needed. Seriously, it wipes your data so cleanly, it's like it was never there. Planning to sell your old rig? Wipe it clean to military standards, because you can't be too careful these days. So, there you have it, folks. System Mechanic Ultimate Defense is the jack of all trades your computer has silently been begging for. Faster speeds, custom privacy, robust protection, the whole shebang. If you think your computer deserves the royal treatment, then click that link in the description below and gear up for a digital life without limits. And if you got value from this video, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech goodness coming your way.